Hello, everyone, and welcome today to our team member spotlight for May. Today, we are joined by Amy Graves. She is one of our education specialists here at the Computer Workshop. Amy, great having you here today.
Thanks, Lee. It's great to be here.
Awesome. So, Amy, you've actually been with the Computer Workshop for about 7 months now, but this is more of your comeback tour.
Yeah, I was here from 2000 to 2005, and I took some time off to raise my kids.
Awesome. Now, how many kids do you have?
I have 3 plus 3 stepchildren, so 6 altogether.
Great. Now, being a education specialist here at the Computer Workshop, what are some of your responsibilities from day to day?
Well, I work with the clients to make sure that they get the courses that they want. I'm kind of the bridge between the client and the Computer Workshop. I make sure that they get the courses that they want and that they achieve their goals. So sometimes, I kind of work as a counselor as well to see, what classes they even need.
Awesome. Now, with helping, the various clients from day to day, is there anything in your job that makes you a proud team member or something that you do that makes you proud to be a part of TCW?
Well, my favorite part about TCW is we are a family here, and that extends out to the clients. We've got customers that have been with us for years, and they feel as much a part of the family as, those that we work with each other. It's kind of my favorite part, is just the family environment that we have built here.
Absolutely. And Amy, we could probably agree that there's various names and people that keep on coming back to us that, we deal with routinely, that we talk to probably even on a weekly basis. And it's great to see those familiar faces coming back and seeking that next class and seeking that next opportunity. So yeah, to your point, it does seem like they're a part of our family as well.
Yeah, we have some that they just call in and just to talk to us because they haven't talked to us for a while. So yeah, they really are part of the family.
Yeah, and everyone knows how sweet Thelma is, so everyone wants to talk to Thelma and talk to all the other members here at the Computer Workshop. So it's always great to have those people call in and keep those conversations going. What you like to do in your free time? Do you have anything to what you do outside of TCW?
Well, I spend a lot of time with my family and friends on the off hours, but I also, I do a lot of art and craft. I make a lot of pieces. I actually sell some in our local coffee shop. So that's kind of other than I do enjoy hiking and stuff like that outdoors.
Awesome. So little outdoor activities and stuff. Now, what is your favorite craft that you've made? Is there one that really stands out to you?
My favorite thing to work with is mixed media. I use painting and stuff, but I use a lot of different types of materials, and I love working with kind of vintage items and recycling those to go into a mixed media project. A lot of paintings, and just I love to go to yard sales and get supplies, so kind of reinvent things.
Absolutely. Find some of these things, you repurpose them. Now, could this be like a vinyl album and then you possibly repaint it to as a landscape, things like that? Is that kind of what you get into?
Not as often. I usually one of my favorite projects is to take let's say you have your grandma's old jewelry or something. I will put that into a picture of some kind and make that into a picture and frame it, and then you have an heirloom keepsake that you can hang on your wall and stuff, because a lot of these things we keep in our boxes, and this is a way to display some things. You might turn it into an angel or something with all these different pieces, and just I do a wide variety of things, but that's one of my favorites, is working with old items. Maybe even use their old doilies.
There you go. That's awesome. So you take these items and take your own creativity and you kind of breathe new life into them. That's awesome. So Amy, do you happen to have a favorite quote that you can leave with our audience here today?
My favorite quote is by Audrey Hepburn, and it says, "Nothing is impossible. The word itself says, I'm possible." So I usually put that everywhere so that I know that no matter what happens, we can handle it.
Wonderful quote. Thank you for sharing that. Well, Amy, thank you for joining us here today. I can't say how much we appreciate everything you do here at the Computer Workshop. Again, coming on the comeback tour, for being here with 7 months. There's so much to do for our clients, and they love being able to speak with you, find the solution that works for them, find the class, get them scheduled, and then have our instructors, of course, deliver that awesome class for them and provide them with the next step. So Amy, thank you again for all you do and for joining us here today and being recognized as our May Team Member Spotlight.
Thanks, Lee, for having me.
Absolutely. And for those watching, be sure to like the video and show your support for Amy here. And if you aren't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We upload educational videos every Friday, so definitely don't want to miss out on those as you're taking classes in between the classes that Amy gets you scheduled for and get you set up. Without further ado, thank you again, and we'll see everyone in the next video.